Do not do this. This is very dangerous. 3:30 in the morning. Eggs are cooked. Rice is prepared. And she working out. This is power woman. Hand touch, but no kiss.
떨고돌하게 부터 replay 괜찮다 믿으면 또다시 relay 내 맘속 깊은 곳 어딘가 계속 너를 내게 돌려보내 습관처럼 뱉던 말 괜찮다고 하지만
Use love without translation.
Can you give me the bag?
No.
What do you need?
Passport. Your passport.
Oh, it's a VIP. It's your first time VIP?
First time.
VIP.
ช่อง 27 นะคะ6 โมงตรงไป
ขอบคุณค่ะ We go number 27
Konkrab.
Box 27
Llegué a tu puerta azul con miedo ardiendo la piel.
It's too early.
Yeah, early.
Why did we come so early?
What time now?
4. 2 hours. Why did we come so early?
Better come late, baby.
Why did we come so
Come
early?
before, better come late.
Yeah, but 2 hours before? It's okay if we come early, but 2 hours before? So this is a real Thailand. I don't see like anyone. I don't see foreigners here. I don't see any foreigners here. Only Thailand people. You say what?
Want to see Leo? This Leo, okay. We can sit everywhere, but
It's always taking care of me. Why are you like this? So it's okay?
Yeah, I'm just talking to my friend. I'm not the crazy lady.
You never know. We've seen it. We've seen it all. I just want to make. I just want to be sure that.
But thank you for checking.
She was talking on the phone.
That is the best that could happen to me today. Sorry.
Nah, it's okay. Don't worry. Yeah, you Thai woman.
no.
What?
Not.
Is it like a battery to charge something?
Better Anantabat. I come before. Better.
She has more space than on an airplane, to be honest. You see, quite comfortable here. The only thing that is missing is, like a table where you can put your laptop. But from the space, it's perfect, right? Look, there's even more space than in the airplane. Ah, you get like a blanket too. Awesome. This moment right here, you would never have this moment again with somebody. And whatever, if you have this moment with somebody else, you will always think about the first ride from Phuket to Bangkok, 14 hours with Rico. Love you. Next, what's going on? Oh, baby. Good morning, everyone. Wow, what a night. So what's the plan for today? If you're willing to come to Thailand and you're willing to get married, I think today's day is the most important video you could ever seen. Now just watch it, also save it, and if you have like any questions regarding what we're doing or what we're going through, come into our Telegram group, write your comments or write your text, and from there give you the information that you need. So what's the plan for today? And please let me tell you that to make it work, we had to wake up very early today, 4 a.m. already. One, we need to get some documents in order to be able to get married. And then we have to go to the German embassy. Yeah. Make sure these documents are certified. And once we have those documents, which probably we won't get them today, I have to fly back to Germany, get my documents, come back to Thailand and get married. This is the first thing. While we're doing it, we're gonna check Bangkok, definitely. Bangkok is such a beautiful city. The last time that I was there, I just have the feeling that you can see much in 2 days. We're probably gonna eat outside. And then it's time to run again. I haven't run for like 3 days already, and I feel like my body's asking already for it. So running days definitely today, at least like 30 minutes. And Auntie told us that exactly here around the corner there's a beautiful place to check out. You guys are coming with us. You asked me if I want ginger tea. Mm-hmm. Okay.
You want to drink?
Yeah, babe. Yeah, Carlos wants to meet you. Carlos.
She 56 นะ
Yeah. Does she like young men?
ยัง55ยังไม่ถึง56
Oh, she 55 also soon 56
Okay, so Carlos can come? We're gonna call Carlos.
ให้ฮอดเบอร์โทรเลยได้เหมือนกันนะ
มันเห็นด่าน
Very easy, you know, very easy. So these people here work very hard. Let me show you something.
มาcome
So she wake up very early, like 3:30. Prepare everything. She's cooking the eggs to sell them later in the place where she's working. People here are very creative. They make money out of everything. She can say later, I help her today. 1 egg. Oh. Wow, so many eggs. How many? Like 100? More? You find place everywhere. Here we prepare the rice. With Spain, I say we. No, sorry. She. No, we. I'm just documenting everything. I haven't done anything. This is working out. Carlos, you know. Carlos, you know, this woman, this is a power woman, Carlos. Look, 3:30 in the morning, eggs are cooked, rice is prepared, and she working out. This is power woman. Unbelievable. So Carlos, it's not gonna be easy with you. You know, you're getting power women here. It's not like, you know, these European girls. This Thailand power. Women here are different. Kiss. Auntie's there. We need to be.
ติดศูนย์ในการเป็นมันรถไม่ติดไง
อ๋อมองถอยมาเอาภาษา
I'm lost right now.
for make
She's prepared. She's everything there. She's ready to get married. Look, she's even white today. Hey! We're gonna get the copies right now, right? How long is it gonna take to have them certified by the German embassy? What did the guy say? Like 3 weeks, 4 weeks?
him say about look like 1 month
1 month. Okay, to wait until they
for Q
to get an appointment.
yes
Okay, but we got an appointment today. It's not about the appointment. It's about like having the documents certified.
stamp
Yeah, today. Oh, if you get the documents today certified, then I just need to go to Germany and get my documents. But then we won't see you like 4 weeks because I have to wait 4 weeks. Oh, that's pretty sad. I don't like it.
ห้างไอทีนี่
I miss you already.
ร่างกายเด็กจักใจ
Ah, where's the ring?
I forget I put in low
Wow, we have to go back.
ยัง
She forgot the ring. My feelings. You forgot the ring, the most important thing. We're talking about getting married and she forgot the ring. Oh my god. The comments will be so bad. Like, comments will be like, yeah, I told you, you know, this, that, blah, blah. She forgot the ring. And at the end, if it doesn't work to get married here or to get married somewhere else, we go to Denmark.